BE-1756 AI Cam 2.0 User Guide. Switch language. Select English. Face recognition. For the face recognizer function, try to use it in a well-lit environment. Let AI Cam learn a face. Save the learning result. Learn the second face. Unsaved faces will not be recorded. They need to be relearned and saved. If multiple faces are detected, the leftmost face is the first target. The one to its right is the second target. Face recognition use cases. Programming with robocode. Add the extension AI Cam before programming. Set the connection port and switch modes. Get the Face ID number. Display different contents according to the recognition result. Face recognition use case. Programming with RoboEXP. Find the AI Cam related modules in the Other Sensors category. Set the connection port. Set the switch mode. Get the Face ID number. Store it in a variable. Display different contents according to the recognition result. Examples of facial recognition applications. Road detection. Select 3 sampling points on the route. If the recognition is inaccurate, you can adjust the distance appropriately. Road detection use case. Programming with robocode. Switch to the road detection mode. Use the servo direction to indicate road turning. Obtain the green line of road recognition. The difference in the x-coordinates of the upper and lower points. Based on the difference, judge the road turning and control the direction of the servo. Road detection use case. Programming with RoboEXP. Switch to road recognition mode. Gets the x-coordinates of the upper endpoint of the first target and store it in variable ID1X. Gets the x-coordinates of the lower endpoint of the second target and store it in variable ID2X. Calculate the coordinate difference. After determining the road turn based on the difference, controls the servo direction. Road detection use case. Tagged recognition. This function can identify TAG36H11 type April tag visual fiducial markers. QR code recognition. Select QR code mode. Object recognition. This function can be used to learn recognizable objects. The object learning here is essentially the process of assigning an ID number to a specified object. Objects of the same type cannot be learned repeatedly. Save the learning results. Color recognition. Select 3 sampling points in turn on the target to learn. Sampling points can be changed based on detection result. Learn the color. Assign an ID number to the target. Continue learning other colored targets. Save the learning results. Gesture recognition. Gesture recognition can recognize 6% gestures. Human pose recognition. It can recognize and label 17 key points on the human body. Object classification. Long press the button to take photos from different angles. After learning is completed, assign the currently selected ID number. Switch to another ID number to be assigned. Remember to save the learning result. Image classification. This function can recognize 11 fixed patterns. Connect to Wi-Fi. Select a network. Enter the password. Click Confirm. Wait for a while. Under the Install Runtime section, you can check whether the network connection is normal. If connected successfully, the latest version will be displayed. Otherwise, no network will be shown. Install application. When the network connection is normal, select the store. Then select the Scan QR code installation method and scan the QR code of the specified application. You can find the most recently installed applications at the bottom. Press the button to exit this function. Uninstall application. Thanks for watching.